Mike here with Off Leash Canine Training. I've got Bear. Bear is approximately 11 years old. He's a German Shepherd mix. We're not exactly sure. He comes to us, the main reason is his aggression towards other dogs. You can see that he's got a pretty nice keloid on the side of his head. That is from when he was a puppy and he got attacked at a dog park. Mom said that it was pretty severe. You know, the wound was all the way down to the muscle, ripped open the muscle. So since that point, he has been fairly aggressive towards other dogs, and it sounds like it's gotten worse over time. So right now you can see he's a little bit focused on the two dogs that are in the kennel. So we'll see how he reacts to that. But for the most part, I think it's when dogs are kind of moving around him and they're basically standing still. So I think he's fairly comfortable with that. I'm going to take a second and show you what he knows now. That way we can see how much he's improved. Bear, come. Come. Bear, come. Good boy. Bear, sit. Sit. Bear, sit. Bear, sit. Sit. Good boy. Bear, place. Place. Yeah. Sit. Almost. Bear, place. Place. Bear, place. Place. Yes. Sit. Good. Bear, down. Down. Paw. I'll take your paw. I'll take your paw. So that's where Bear's at on day one. He knows some of his commands. We just want to get him reliable, definitely off-leash reliable, and we want to get him much more comfortable and reliable around dogs. So stay tuned for his progress. In just 2 weeks, we're going to show you that we can teach old dogs new tricks. Right, buddy? Check out, boy. Shadow out. Shadow out. Shadow out. There. Come on, guys.
Good job, everybody.
Let's go eat. There, come. There, please. Sit. Down. Good. Good, down.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? You can bring him back here if you want. Whatever you guys want to do. Just push down that gray post, and then you can push the door open to come in. Just come inside, he'll follow you. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
You been having fun here? Big backyard? Never had a big backyard like this, huh?
I thought you guys had 6 acres.
Yeah, but
it wasn't fenced, and
Gotcha.
he wasn't trained, so...
Gotcha.
So we're like, nope, sorry.
Yeah, he was always on leash.
Who's that, bud?
He's gonna go bring his brother back.
Okay. Oh, there's that one.
And how is he with the other dog?
Since day one, they've been fine.
Yeah.
So it's always, I think, and we just always had to go through the exercise of socializing him with
Right.
other dogs, but, it's the scenarios when it's like there's a stranger dog that comes
Right.
along and...
Those are the dogs he's not comfortable with.
Yeah, like as long as we do like the butt sniffing and all of that, he's fine. But oh, yay!
Now that dog doesn't have any use of any of his legs, tail, nothing.
No.
His front legs can move, but it's not strong enough to take him anywhere.
Right.
Yeah. So we just carry him around everywhere. Aside from the obvious, he's otherwise happy and healthy.
Right.
So.
And he still eats.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, he eats like a beast now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, as long as he eats.
Blaze, good boy.
Tell him to DOWN.
There, down. Damn good boy. This is Bear. He's our 11-year-old Shepherd mix. We've had him for a long time. He's kind of an old pup, but just moved to the city and needed to figure out how to behave in a crowded, busy, excited environment. So we brought him here. He is demonstrating some commands he never knew before. We're very excited about the future of living in a city with a well-behaved dog, and it's been a great experience. So wish us luck.
Good luck.